This that go and get it, with no hesitation. This that never quit, start that elevation. This that process, this that in the making. This that started from the bottom, this that motivation. This that opportunity, me in preparation. All I know is win, feel like Gary Payton. This that process, this that in the making. This that started from the.
Imagine if you got what you want every time. No struggle, no hard work, no challenges, no hard work required. Some of you are saying that would be great. You would be weak. And then when something hard comes up in your life, you wouldn't know how to handle it because you have never gone through anything that strengthens you. You cannot grow without struggle.
Drop it.
Guys, check this out. Bam. Solid one caught. J money, guys. Check this out, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back yet to another video. This is Mr. Forex and Beyond. I just want to tell you about the broker that I'm using, which is AAA FX, and how easy to register and deposit. Firstly, as you can see here, you just go to the live account, and then from there you fill in your details. After filling in your details, the next part is to upload your documents, which takes only 2 seconds, and the verification of your document only takes less than a minute. After verifying all your documents, now the next stage, it is for you to choose the type of account that you want, stuff like leverage, the basic stuff like leverage that you want according to how you trade or your strategy. After that, boom, you have created your account. Now what is left, it is funding. How are you gonna fund your account? You go to the tab that's written funding on the left side of your screen, and then you choose the type of transaction that you wanna take. There's a lot of transaction method or deposit method. You've got Skrill, Bitcoin option, you've got the card option. Well, I personally chose the Bitcoin option, of which I just pressed on the fund next to the crypto option, and then I go to my crypto exchange platform, of which some of you may use Luno or use Coin Exchange or Binance. So it is quite easy. You just press the fund button, you copy the e-wallet address, and then you go to your crypto exchange platform, be Coinbase, be Luno, and then you paste that address on it. They're gonna send you the code to verify your transaction, and then you just need to wait for less than 15 minutes or 30 minutes for the transaction to be completed, especially with the Bitcoin if you choose the Bitcoin option. But it is quite easy, guys. So make sure that you hit the link button, you register your own account with AAA FX, and then from there you start trading immediately on the same day. So it is quite nice, guys. See you on the other side. Register your account with AAA FX right now and begin your trading journey.